Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a turntable needle. First, gather your tools, such as a small screwdriver and a pair of tweezers. Next, ensure your turntable is completely powered off and unplugged from the wall. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage. Finally, take a moment to identify the type of cartridge you have, as this will guide your needle replacement process. Now, let's carefully remove the old stylus. Depending on your cartridge, you might gently pull the old needle straight out from the cartridge body. For some models, you may need to release a small lever or clip first. Always avoid touching the delicate cantilever or the very tip of the stylus, as these components are extremely fragile and easily damaged. With the old needle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new stylus with the cartridge housing. Gently push the new needle firmly into place until you hear or feel a secure click. Double-check that the stylus is seated correctly and is not loose, ensuring a stable connection for optimal sound reproduction. You're almost done. Reconnect your turntable and power it back on. Place a record on the platter and carefully lower the tone arm, listening for clear, balanced sound from both channels. If your turntable allows, this is a good time to fine-tune your tracking force and anti-skate settings for the best possible audio performance. Enjoy your refreshed sound.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.